Hello dear students, today we will learn about preposition in English grammar. Myself Ruxana, let's get started. What is preposition? Preposition is a word that is used to link noun or pronoun with other words in the sentence. Link here means they provide relationship between noun and other words in sentence and thus make the sentence complete. These other words may be noun, verb or adjective. Let us understand them with example. The cat is sitting under the table. Where the cat is sitting? The cat is sitting under the table. Here, under is used to link table, which is a noun and sitting placement of a cat. If you do not use under, write the same sentence, the cat is sitting the table. We are not able to get what is the relationship between the sitting of a cat and table. Using under, we are confirmed that cat is sitting under the table. Hence, under is a preposition here. Now, let's look into the types of preposition. These are divided into three types depending on three situations. When any event or thing happened, where the event or thing occurred, and in which time direction the event or thing is happening. Preposition that describe when an event happened is defined as preposition of time. Example of them are in, on, at, before, after. Let's look into some sentence example to make things clear. My birthday falls in January. Here, when my birthday falls, it falls in the month of January. In here is a linking word and hence it's a preposition. Next, my vacation ends on Monday. When my vacation ends, it ends on Monday. On here is a linking word, hence it's a preposition. Next, it gets cold at night. When it gets cold, it gets cold at night. At here is a linking word, hence it's a preposition. Remember that these prepositions happen in context to another. Now, let's look into other next one. The preposition that describe where anything is context to other are defined as a preposition of place. Example of them includes under, above, in, on, at. Now you might be thinking we had in, on, at as a preposition of time and here also same. But please note they are used in different meanings. Let's see some sentence example to make things clear. The books are on the table. Now, where are the books placed? They are placed on the table. Here, on describe link between table and books, hence it is a preposition of place. The plane just below the cloud. Where is the plane with respect to cloud? It just below. Here, below is a linking word. Remember, these prepositions provide where the things is with respect to other. Now let's look into the next type. The preposition that describe where to go or where to put something are called as preposition of direction. Some of the example of them are to, into, of, from. Let me give some sentence examples to make things clear. We went to London last week. Here to describes in which direction we went. So here to is the linking word. Next he went up the hill. Here up describes in which direction he went. So up is a linking word. Remember these prepositions provide in which direction the thing is in respectful on the other. So these are the main three types of preposition. Thank you.